My name is Mads Nielsen. My job title is I'm a technology manager for TECOSIM. So how long have I been a user of the Oasys LS-DYNA environment? Probably about 20 years, I'd imagine. PRIMER is the best tool to build LS-DYNA's models with. It's the best tool to get the model right first time. That's why we use it. You can trust the models when they come out of PRIMER to run. And that's what sets it apart from other tools out there in the industry. So with PRIMER, for instance, it's the error checking facilities, and it has been for a very long time and still is by far the best out there in the industry. And it allows us to get our models right first time, and therefore save us a lot of time and be much more efficient. As well, we can work with multiple models at the same time. We need to be efficient in what we're doing. And compared to other tools out there in the market, we find that using PRIMER and D3 plot allows us to be as efficient as we possibly can. With the new workflows, of course, that you're developing for PRIMER, we can get to the model build faster. We can get to the analysis result faster. We are more efficient using the Oasys suite. A lot of our clients, they do use LS-DYNA. And so we are dependent on trusting the software to be able to build LS-DYNA models and understand LS-DYNA models. And by far PRIMER has always been far ahead of any of the other software tools when it comes to being able to accept new keywords and updates from new LS-DYNA versions. That's why we tend to use the Oasys suite, because it is better, it's far ahead compared to the competition.